And off California, a close encounter with the largest animal on Earth. Paddling recently off Redondo Beach, south of Los Angeles, two kayakers got an up-close and amazing look at a blue whale. Rick Coleman even plunged into the water for a face-to-face meeting and brought back some video to prove it.
He was so close. That kind of was all exciting and just, just got your heart really pumping.
And the fin came up close to the kayak, and my first thing was like, "Oh, Rick!" And I didn't scream out, but that was my first thought. I'm like, oh my gosh, he's down there, and I hope he didn't get hit.
Hit is the big word. Luckily, the 50-foot-long whale didn't hit him, but for an unforgettable moment, the man and the graceful giant were eye to eye.